Ukraine has opened a new front in its war of words. President Volodymyr Zelensky has publicly warned Belarus to dismantle infrastructure allegedly helping Russian drone strikes or face Ukrainian action. Kyiv says Minsk has crossed from silent ally to active enabler.
At the intelligence and military levels, Belarus received a message: stop helping the Russians. The issue with the relay stations has been ongoing for a long time, and it has resulted in casualties solely on the Ukrainian side. They are technically coordinating this and helping Russian and Iranian drones strike Ukrainians with greater precision. Lukashenko received this information, and he must demonstrate de-escalation with more than just the words, "I'm sorry." He can keep his apology to himself. It has meant nothing since the first day of the war.
Zelensky says this was not his first move. He claims Ukraine repeatedly sent private intelligence and military messages to Belarus, urging it to stop supporting Russian drone operations. Now, with those warnings ignored, Kyiv has taken its ultimatum public: remove the relay stations, or Ukraine will.
Step 1 is to end all technical support. A relay station constitutes direct support. Turn it off, remove it, and show us that it has been removed. Since this message was conveyed to them repeatedly, we have now reached the stage of issuing a public signal. If he does not remove it, we will remove everything ourselves. Similarly, we're sending a message: please stop supplying fuel to the Russian army.
At the heart of the dispute are alleged communications relay systems that Ukraine says help Russian and Iranian-designed Shahed drones navigate and strike Ukrainian cities with greater precision. If confirmed, Kyiv argues the infrastructure is a legitimate military target. The warning has triggered an immediate response from Moscow. The Kremlin says Vladimir Putin and Alexander Lukashenko will soon discuss Zelensky's ultimatum. Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov has denounced Kyiv's remarks as an attack on Belarusian sovereignty.
Indeed, and as you know, Alexander Grigoryevich has spoken about this as well. They plan to contact each other in the near future. This will be a good opportunity to discuss these and other issues.
The standoff now raises the stakes beyond Ukraine's borders. If Belarus continues supporting Russia's drone campaign, Kyiv is signaling it may no longer treat Belarus as merely Moscow's partner, but as part of the battlefield itself. The coming Putin-Lukashenko talks could determine whether this latest confrontation escalates further.